I just discovered magic. I can turn natural ingredients to this calming aromatherapy rice bag. Let's make this calming aromatherapy rice bag together so that you can have the calming benefits of essential oils to help support your health. Hi, I'm Katie Beltkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to make their own products using natural ingredients and essential oils. So turn off distractions, making is healing. Let's get started. Before I dive into what you need to make this recipe, we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it easy to create with essential oils. That's why if you buy Simply Earth's Essential Oil Home Remedies box, you can get all the ingredients you need or find them online at simplyearth.com. So let's make this calming aromatherapy rice bag. To make this recipe, you will need Simply Earth's Aromatherapy rice bag, pillowcase, cypress essential oil. From your home, you will want to grab some rice and about 5 cotton balls. Let's get started. To start with, we are going to fill our inner pillowcase with rice, about 2/3 full, which is going to be about 2.5 cups of rice. This rice bag is going to be ready for immediate use, so I can take this, microwave it for 1 minute to heat it up. You can also place it in the freezer to use as an ice bag. The zipper on this inner pouch is plastic, so it can be put in the microwave. Once you're done heating it up, you can add your cotton balls. We're going to be adding our essential oils to this cotton ball, making them super easy to swap out. We're also doing this after we microwave the bag because in a microwave the essential oils are going to evaporate, and we want that strong cypress aroma to help calm us and help us feel better, and so we're going to add that after we put it in the microwave. I'm adding about 5 drops per cotton ball. You can add more or less essential oil to your preference. However strong you like it to smell, you can add more oil. I'm going to add these to my rice bag. Mix it up a bit, put it in its pretty little pillowcase. And it's ready to be used. So easy, it can be made in 2 minutes or less. So I can use this hot, or I can skip the microwave part and put this directly in the freezer to use as a cold pack when needed. You can make this too. I love to see your creations, so if you make this recipe, be sure to post a picture on social media with hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth. If you want to turn essential oils into natural products like this, then you need to get Simply Earth's Essential Oil Recipe Box, because it'll actually teach you how to unlock the power of natural ingredients.